Good afternoon, one and all present here. So I welcome you all for my webinar on the workshop on LaTeX tools. How the LaTeX tool used for researchers, how we can effectively utilize the LaTeX tool in order to prepare your document. Most of us not known very well how we can be able to prepare the LaTeX tool. By using the LaTeX tool for the use of our document preparation. The LaTeX tool is very easy. It's not a difficult one, in which we can easily create many documents, not only the documents, books, journal, articles, thesis, everything we can be able to create by means of this LaTeX tool. What is the simple idea about the LaTeX we will discuss in this workshop? It is a high quality typesetting system. LaTeX is a high quality typesetting system in which we can set our document. It is a document preparation system used for the communication and publication of scientific documents, not only the scientific documents, also the arts and humanities and any kind of languages, that also language oriented information is also prepared as document. So LaTeX is the de facto standard for the communication and the publication of the scientific documents. For the scientific documents, mostly we utilize most of the journals, Elsewhere and Springer and other journals are require the PDF format, that is LaTeX format. Some of the journals must require only the LaTeX format. So LaTeX is a free software and it is distributed under the LaTeX project public license. How we can learn about LaTeX? If you go through this website, you can learn about the LaTeX. Before going to the LaTeX, what are the special features available in LaTeX? Not only preparation of documents, typesetting journal articles, typesetting technical reports, books, and slide presentations, everything we can use. That everything is possible by using the LaTeX softwares, which control over large documents containing sectioning, cross references, tables, figures. We will include tables, figures, and references, sectioning the informations, bibliographies, list of tables, list of figures, and table of contents. Table of contents, list of figures, and list of tables are automatically prepared by the LaTeX itself. It is not necessary to enter. Manually, you can prepare the list of tables and list of figures and table of contents. Just if you enter like a sentence, list of tables, list of figures, then it automatically the LaTeX prepare the list of tables and list of figures and references also, that is a table of contents also. So typesetting of complex mathematical formulas are very easily displayed, set by the LaTeX document. So advanced typesetting of mathematics with AMS LaTeX is also available. One of the special feature available in the LaTeX software. Okay. Mostly for the mathematical formula, the LaTeX software is very simple, very simply used. It is very useful for the creation of the mathematical formula. So what is the other kind of features for LaTeX? Automatic generation of bibliographies and indexes is very important point in LaTeX. Multilingual typesetting is also available. Multilingual, we can include Tamil, English, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, any type of languages, Hindi, any languages we can include in the LaTeX format. So inclusion of artwork, figures, processes or spot colors, everything is possible. Also, the LaTeX file we can use either PostScripts or Metafont fonts. So we can use PostScripts and other kind of fonts. Then how we can proceed this LaTeX? For that, we require what are the things we require in order to proceed the LaTeX? There is a introduction about the LaTeX. Let's just LaTeX-project.org. They give you an introduction about the LaTeX software here. Okay. Now very easily we can understand how they created. What is the use of LaTeX? What is the typesetting? How the free software? How we can download? Everything is available in this LaTeX in this introduction page. Now about the LaTeX, if you want, you can learn something about the LaTeX. So suppose if you want to enter this sentence, prepare this sentence. This is the simple document that you prepared by using the LaTeX. So in English, this document is an article. Its title is like, and other thing is available in this. What are the features? I already given. The features of LaTeX are general article, documents containing sectioning, cross references, mathematics formulas, and automatic generation of bibliographies. These things are available. Now, how to get LaTeX? How we can able to get LaTeX? Okay. Now, suppose your system, if you use a Linux system, then you must download a TeX live distribution package. TeX live distribution package you have to install in your Linux systems. So, and then live package status, we can verify Linux TeX live package status. If it is enabled, then you can utilize only it is enough. Only it is enough. TeX live distributed system. If you are the Linux user, suppose if you are the Mac user, Mac TeX is actually available. It is enough for the Mac users. Then for Windows user, we require MacTeX, a software MacTeX or ProTeX or TeX Live. Any one file should be downloaded and installed in your system, Windows system, and then we can proceed. Not only the MacTeX is enough for creation of the latest document. Also, we require another one document that is like a word editing software. That word editing software is called as WinEdit. WinEdit. WinEdit we require in Windows based. Why the document is called as software is called as WinEdit. WinEdit. Windows editor. That is the meaning. Then if you want to use LaTeX online, so Paparia, Overleaf, this kind of Dazer, LaTeX based, these softwares are used online LaTeX software. Okay, this is the simple introduction about the softwares. For each and every category of the LaTeX version, that is a system oriented information are exactly given. You can go through and go through this entire website. You can easily download it. Now, what is LaTeX 3? What is the specialty of LaTeX 3? And what are the LaTeX 3 is recent project actually developed by the LaTeX project company. Now, what are the publications available? LaTeX 3 development code, how they denote, whether if you use full version, you must pay something about installation. Now, what are the different publications are actually available in LaTeX project? Publications by year. Publications by year we have. So, suppose if you want to the latest version of the LaTeX, this is the latest version of the file. You can utilize, you can download from here also by using some link in which. So, very easy to install. And what is the help you want to create a document, and what textbooks, LaTeX textbooks, if you want to create, use this link. The useful links are also available in this. So everything is very simple to use, and we can get, if you go to this, that is, if you register your mail ID into this website, the automatic updation is informed by the LaTeX producers, LaTeX project company. Okay. Now, what we require exactly? Now we discuss about the use of LaTeX in Windows-based operations. MacTeX software, MacTeX pronounced as MakeTech, is an up-to-date implementation of tech or LaTex, and related programs. Tech or LaTex related programs. It is a up-to-date implementation software. Tech is a typesetting system written by Donald Even, and who says that it is intended for the creation of beautiful books, and especially for books that contain a lot of mathematics. Suppose if you want to utilize this MakeTech, you can go to the website. MakeTech software is freely available. What is the latest version of the MakeTech? MakeTech.org. The latest version of the MakeTech is MakeTech 2.9.7400. Some of the laptop are not suit for the latest version because we require minimum memory and minimum hardware requirements. We have, if you have the minimum requirements based on the compilation process, you must utilize that latest versions. Otherwise, you can download the other versions. Other versions are also available in which. Now, what is the versions? Which one? Mac OS or Linux or Docker are all downloads. You can download very easily. Very simple LaTex softwares, MakeTech softwares are available. Okay. Now, this is the basic software. First, you have to install the MakeTech software. It is freely available in the net, version based. Okay, one thing. Next, you have to install WinEdit software. It is a powerful and versatile all-purpose text editor. It is like a MS Office Word, MS Word text editor for Windows with a strong predisposition towards the creation and compilation of the LaTeX documents, which is used for compilation of the LaTeX document. So WinEdit is a software that is, this is actually GUI, graphics user interface based Windows workstation is actually created. So this is under the underlying LaTeX engine is this. My WinEdit must work for MakeTech. Okay. So then how we can download this software? There are many versions of the WinEdit are also. Now the recent version is 10. WinEdit 10 is also available. You can go through this site. You can go through this site, download yourself the LaTeX MakeTech or Tech Live for Windows. Okay, so 10.3 is the latest version. You can simply download this software and then install in your system. It will ask some questions. You can answer all the questions, and then freely your software should be extracted. Now we go to a live information about. I am already installed the MakeTech in my system and installed WinEdit 8 because my system supports only this software. The recent software is not supported. Okay, I am just pressing this icon. We are entering into the MakeTech software now. Suppose if you want to open a software tech file, we can open a tech file. Already I have, for creation of a single tech file, there are many files are available. These files are automatically created by the LaTeX software. When after compiling this tech file, these files are automatically created. This is the specialty of this software. Now, in which this is like this WinEdit software is like a what? MS Office software. If you want to add, include, reload, edit, search something, insert anything else, any documents, any other kind of information, objects if you want to insert, structure if you want to insert, anything is available. Objects, figure, tables. If you want to insert a link, that also available. So structure if you want, what are the structures, sections, subsections, very easily the software itself help for including any kind of information. Already you have know about PipTeX for article LaTeX references are actually prepared by using the piptech. This is another one is LaTex format. So there are many points are available. You can insert it. Then what is the document, new document, and everything, how we can run the document, and what is the project. Your new project is started, then you can give projects. So in which, that is if you want to create a book in which you can easily create, open a project and then do it. So what are the things you want to view in the screen, opening screen? If you want to view the tree, then the tree is actually disappear. If you want to view the other informations, everything should be available. Now tools are available. There are arrays, output files, some other kind of information tools are available. Some macros you can include by using this. Then accessories, points, compilation. If you press simply the universal compiler button is F9. If you press simply F9, easily this created. But one of the very important option is menu is tech, Texify, LaTex, tech, and AMS tech, context, piptech, DVI preview. These are very, very important. This Techify and Texify and DVI preview are very, very important. Now, one thing over, and how we can run the informations. What are the informations are actually available? Creating the help, that if you want any help, you can enter here. What is the specialty of this tier softwares? The document, there are two kind or 3 or 4 kinds of LaTex softwares or LaTex styles are available. One is class file and another one is style file. So class file, you have to include a class, document class. What is the point, 12 point? It is a report, single report. There is no inclusion of any other section, chapters in this file. So that's why we use report. So use packages, graphics packages, mathematics packages, URLs you can use, spaces we can utilize. Everything is very, very important. These are all some theorems and lemmas are compulsory. These are all compulsory. Some theorems we got to include. Some lemmas are we included. Suppose if you want to include subsection and the section within the section, one more section if you want to include, then you have to use the lemmas and other algorithms and other informations are available. So this is the standard format. Okay, new command. So everything is available. Display style. So this is the standard command. Then we can begin the document here. This page style is empty. There is no page style. Begin the center onwards. Begin. The large synopsis of and the vertical space is 0.75. Everything is available. So up to go to this vertical space, large font size, a study on the performance analysis of partition-based clustering algorithms in data mining. One thing you must know that you have to type all your documents by using your MS Word software. You have to type everything in general. Then you can copy paste here. That's all. So after creating this simple commands, you can copy paste the information. This will help you very simply. Okay. Now there are many commands are available. Very simple commands. These commands are utilized very effectively and usefully. Now simple commands. Now if you want to include any graph, that is figures, then your figure must be drawn by using the CorelDRAW software. Then only it is possible to include. The CorelDRAW software extension is EPS file. Only the EPS file should be included in your thesis or in your article or in your synopsis, anything else. Only the CorelDRAW EPS file extension should be included in your article. Okay, this is the important concepts. So the center point, what is this two commands? These two commands are very, very simple. Hyphen penalty and tolerance equal to 5,000 and 100 means. Suppose in any sentence, one word is half of the word is entered in the previous line and another remaining letters are displayed in the next line, then you must put a hyphen in the at the end of the first sentence or the beginning of the current sentence. If you want to avoid like this hyphenation for the splitting of this entire document, you must use hyphen penalty equal to 5,000 and tolerance equal to 1,000, or we can include this one. So very simple. So what is the page number? Set counter page. Page is the reserved word. Set counter is the reserved word. Zero page. We start. Why I am starting for the first page 0. Then another pages automatically Arabic section. New command. The section number, Arabic number section. This is Arabic number 1 and section is given. So what is introduction? The section name is introduction and go like that. And then font family, what font we use? Select PHV font. I am selecting. Select font. Select this font. Then this entire thing is yeah, what MS Word document. That MS Word, just type all these things in the MS Word. How we can refer? Site /site then D03. This is the method. I am here using alphabetical citing of methods. So okay, so this is simple. Just you can copy section motivation section. This section indicates to motivation. And suppose if you want to item wise bullets, if you want to use, this is item wise. In this place item, there is a bullet displayed. So begin item wise. These are all reserved word. Item, this means one bullet is actually entered in this place, and got like end item wise. Like a Pascal language program, like a C language program, begin and end we can use. Very simple. And a section, objectives and scope, everything is available. Finally, suppose if you want to use mathematical formulas, that is very, very important. If you want to display summation symbol, you have to use sum. This is the formula. So for the mathematical formula only, you must learn how to include your mathematical formula in your thesis and the text. This is the many important concepts in the LaTeX file. Okay, now this is the mathematical formula inclusion. How the mathematical formula are actually included. What are the sum and fraction, point, and other things are available. C dot, everything is available. So this is the simple example of enumerate and item wise enumerate and de-enumerate, step wise enumerate, everything is available. Okay, now in the bibliography, just you include bibliography style, alphabetic bibliography style, AC01 and B02. The first name is AC01. 07 means the first name of the author is A, and the second author name, first letter is C. This article is actually published in 2007 and got like that. I am using this style of bibliography. In this place only if you enter 9 except deleting AA. If you delete AA, if you enter only 9, and here in the place of alpha if you enter numeric, then you should be taken as 1, 2, 3 and go to like that. This is very simple example. Okay, now another that is tentative contents of the proposed thesis. These things are another style of letters. What is the number? Everything is available. Okay, now how we can able to run this? First, you have to get the, if you have figures in your LaTeX file, you must first prepare the DVI file. So DVI file should be prepared. Okay, so how we can prepare the DVI file? Just press Shift Control V. So that is given. Shift Control V, DVI preview. Shift Control V. After entering Shift Control V, if you press, then automatically yet another previewer is displayed. This kind of very simple, this kind of letter style we never see by using the Word format. How the references are entered here, D03 and got like that. Very simple. The sequence number, only we are entering section, automatically the number is entered. There is no number 1, 2, 3 are entered, in which subsection in the place of 4.1 we include subsection instead of. Then for this we use sum, SUM, that is which includes the summation and got like that. This kind of informations are very well extracted. So one thing, you note that automatically this bibliography is created. This bibliography is automatically created. We are not given this bibliography. And then what is the tentative content of the proposed style? These full stop are not given by us. These things are not arranged by us. Automatically the LaTeX file created such kind of information. This is very simple example for the LaTeX file. Now suppose if you want to change, how we can convert this DVI file into text file, that is PDF file. The only point is to use the LaTex format is, you have to create the PDF file. Then DVI to PDF, there is a button available. DVI to PDF. It's enough. Now if you want to see the PDF file, you click this button. It's enough. The PDF file is automatically opened. The PDF file is automatically opened. So this is the very simple example. Suppose if you want to make any changes, how we can make changes? Very simple. Now I want this qualification for another person, my guide. How we can able to make changes? I stored Control S is so if you press Control S, then it will give the storing. Okay, Control S. Then now if you press Shift Control V, automatic preview is available, but there is no change. Note that my qualification is entered for me only, not for the guide. Okay, how we can include? Now after pressing Control S, storing your file, you have to use this Textify. That's all. Textify. Now you press Shift Control V. My degree is changed from my place to this place. So this is very important, very simple. Okay, now how we can able to change the file? Very simple. Like we can change it. One point. Another one point is, after changes of your document, you must store the document and use Textify. Then you can prepare the show the preview, DVI preview. Shift Control V. If you press once, then automatically the file is changed. Then you can make this change. Already this PDF file is, for me the degree is available. Now if you want to make the DVI file into PDF file, just you press this one. That's all. Now if you open this file, automatically the DVI file is converted into PDF file. Very simple example. You must know the basic concepts. What is the vertical space, use of vertical space, 0.8 centimeter, and how much you can just include Madras University emblem.eps file. Just include graphics by using the include EPS files. Everything is available. Okay, this is one kind of style file actually used. Now another kind of file, if we want to open, this is my synopsis. Why I am using my synopsis and the thesis? There is no other file actually created by me. Here for my entire thesis, there are many files, lot of files, chapters, everything is available. So main tech, this is the tech file. The extension is tech file, not sync tech file, not a PS file, not video file, not lot file, not a text file and everything, not performance file and not AUX file, BBL file. These things are not available. Only the tech document, main tech document I will open. My tech document is open. Here I am using a style document. Now if you want to close this synopsis file, just right click and close it. It's enough. Okay. Now in the tree, only the last one is available. Now if you press once again this tree, for this file, how we can create the tree? Front page, declaration, certificate, acknowledgement, abstract, everything is available. Table of contents, bibliography, labels, everything is available. Everything is available. Okay. Now how we can use this file? This is style file. This entire file is just 2-3 pages. It's enough. Now in this, what is the speciality of the previous file and this file? Here, that one is class file, this one is style file. So in this document style, we can include figures, mathematical formulas, symbols, colors, rotations, and escape sequences, everything. This is used for PhD purpose. This is the reserved word PhD. Okay, PhD thesis. So bibliography, plain bibliography, new renew command baseline sketch 1.5 line spacing is available. There is a what? These are all some basic methods up to this. There are some lemmas, theorems, and the definitions. Everything should be included. Then we start with the main document here. Input to front page. Front page is another one tech file. I am opening the front page. This is a front page. Only this front page is how we can create this page style. This empty. This page file is empty, and other thing is available. So now, if you want to open the declaration file, okay, everything is, it is a separate text file. Now you have to close all the files or just to simply open this file. Now using this as input to front page. Front page is another one text file. Input means that text file is inputted in this, that is given as input in this entire main document. Then in the new page, / new page is going to next page, new page. Then declaration file is included, new page, and go to like that. Now finally, chapter 1, page numbering, alpha Arabic numbering, input, abstract, everything is available. Chapter 1 up to chapter 7. Then what is the main concept here? You note that there is no front page, declaration, certificates, acknowledgement. After the acknowledgement, just if you press / table of contents, automatically the table of contents is created. Here there is no table of contents file, text file. There is no table of contents text file. You note that on the list of figures, in the list of tables, there is no list of figures. I am not given the separate text file for this. These things are automatically created by the software itself. Now you can simply run by using the same method, whatever I informed you previously. For example, Shift Control V is the previewer. So you can note that very simple. Before compiling the previewer, is it possible to directly create the PDF file? Definitely not possible. Unless your your document having the figures and table of contents are automatically created. It's not created by these numbers are automatically calculated, identified by the software itself. The software itself, these numbers are identified. I am not enter this number into my file. This automatic numbers are identified by the software itself. This is the specialty of this LaTeX document. Okay, now very simple. Is it possible to create such a kind of simple documents? Yes, it is possible. So very simply you can add your references. Very simply you can create the, but in this DVI file is not clear. Now if you want to compile this file, just you press compile here, compile F9. Compilation is over. After the compilation, you have to create, that is texty file. And then create DVI file. DVI to PDF file. It will take some time for the creation of DVI file to PDF. This will take some time. So it's a very simple method. Only you want to learn how to include figure, how to include mathematical formulas, how to include tables. These three things are you must learn. The only thing, easiest thing is including figure is by using the Corel Draw. You can store your file by means of extension EPS. Very simple. The another one is table. How we can include tables? So after the DVI to PDF, because it's a very big 200 pages are available. So 200 pages should be created. Now, if you open this entire file, very simple. You must have that file. Everything is clear now. Is it possible to create such kind of tables in MS Word? It's not possible. So the Word file, compared with the Word file, the text file is very effective and visually it is beautiful. Visually it is beautiful. Everything is landscape also available. Everything is available. Okay. So this it is one of the simple method to create the document by using the text file. Now also not only creation of the PDF file, also you can create DVI to PS file, PS to PDF file, and then you can go through DVI preview here and the DVI search and another things, GS view, and everything is possible. Here you can get MikTeX options. Many things are available in which. Now if you use this simple, you can create the PDF texify, PDF texify, and everything is available. Very simple method. You can easily create. Only thing you must learn how to include mathematical formulas and I think the mathematical formulas are available. Tables, our tables are available here. Like we can create the tables. Begin tabular format. Column, how many columns and how many lines? What is the line height? Servers, what is the in the place of C 1, in the place of C this 2, and go to up to 14 columns, height, length. The values are given and symbol by using this only somewhat difficult, but if you learn prepare one table, very simple usually. But you must know that what is the specialty of this text document in this area. Now you note that now this is the third that is third chapter of my thesis. In this third chapter, I have entered the figures. Automatically, the rearranging of figures and tables are given. The algorithm is composed of the following steps. This is available. If you include figures and other things, some automatic inclusion of the in the, if we go to third chapter, what is my specialty of this? What is the specialty of this software? LaTex software is sometimes you are given sometimes you are given this figure. After this figure some tables, or after this figure some tables. The tables and figures are rearranged any kind section wise. Tables are based on the height and width and the space. The tables and figures are rearranged, not as a sequence manner. 3.1 and 3.2. This is 3.3, then 3.2. So I am given 3.2 in before this figure. Here I am given 3.2. Now, but which is modified somewhat wherever the space is available. How we can easily cover all the pages? The LaTex itself created. This is the specialty of the LaTex software. Okay, within this short introduction about the LaTex software, we will conclude this entire seminar. Now, we can, if you have any doubt in this, we can ask questions by enabling my. Now we are entering into the question and answer session. I'm given just an introduction about the LaTex. I'm not given how to include the commands, how to include figures, how to include tables, what is the formulas used for including the figures and tables, everything else. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now, I will call one by one. Enable button. Nobody writes. Janaki, Kodandam Janaki. Now you can talk me. Yes. Yes, Janaki ma'am.
Sir,
Yes,
is it possible to import the external files into this LaTex? Any type of external files?
Not any type, only BibTeX oriented, file oriented. External files are possible to include, but some conditions are available. Not all the files are included in the text. Some kind of files only are allowed inside, but which are prepared by using the text file, text document. Okay, are you clear now?
One more doubt, sir.
What is your doubt?
Even before this LaTex, was there any other software, documentation software earlier before this LaTex? This is the first documentation.
No, not like that. Nowadays, there are many kind of softwares are available. Online softwares and other softwares are available. Okay, So this LaTeX is the first mathematical oriented formula conversion document, which is invented by the universally for the purpose of document creation. So LaTeX is very frequent, easy to understand. Now many versions of LaTeX, but compared with this LaTeX, no other softwares are not easy. That is important. This software is very easy. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That I know.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, we have to talk. I am enable Suganya C. We can talk now. Suganya, do you want to talk with me? You can enable your audio button and then talk me. Suganya is not available, and another person's, nobody is ready to talk with me. Selva Sheila, now you can talk. Your button is enabled.
Sir?
Yeah,
Sir?
yes, tell me. Yes,
Totally free software, sir.
yes, totally free software. Make text, win edit, everything is free.
Okay.
The recent version itself is free, but you have to check your laptop or desktop, your whatever the compatible version of your system.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the WinEdit 10.3 is not suitable for my laptop, so that I am using WinEdit 8.0 something. Okay, so you have to check with your system configuration, which is based on your system configuration. Totally free, 100% free software. Very simple. You can learn in the online itself. Do you have any other doubt?
How much space required for this software, sir?
MP size, no, not GB, only MP, 25 MP, 50 MP, that's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The another person, anybody want to speak with me? I think nobody raising their hands. Lily Rani, you want to speak with me? Lily Rani is not available. Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir, you said that the document should be created in MS Word and the drawing should be done in the Corel software. So how can
Yes,
we connect
no, only just copy paste, that's all. So
copy paste?
at the time of the tech document preparation, if it is possible to write everything, it is okay. Suppose already if it is typed by me and stored in a Word file, then just copy paste, that's all. For that purpose, you first prepare the Word file. I inform you.
So is
Okay.
in the Word document itself, if there are pictures can be inserted?
No, not necessary. Picture is not necessary. In the Word document, only text. Only text.
Only text can. Okay.
That's all. Okay.
Whether we can download the pictures and we can insert it, that option is also in
You can convert it into by using EPS file by using the CorelDRAW. You can convert pictures into the EPS file. Okay.
One more doubt, sir. Sir, one more doubt. You have said that for column information, you have put PPP like that. For row information, how to enter this one and that one? All the
So
way.
I'm not hearing your voice. I'm not hearing your voice.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, hello.
No, your audio button is disabled. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Tell me.
Sir, for mathematical summation method, for mathematical thing, you said for summation you have to put some, isn't it? For other thing, for the power, the raise the power of n power, like that means how we have to enter that.
Everything is possible. There is a command available. There must be a command available in the WinEdit software. That is LaTeX software. We can read the LaTex manual.
Inbuilt function, sir. Is it an inbuilt function?
Yes, inbuilt function. If you want to use epsilon, just you write epsilon, it will include. That's all. Enough. The word epsilon includes the epsilon symbol. That's all. Very simple method. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. another person, anybody want to speak with me? I think Suganya C not available. Went out, I think. Okay, thank you. Nobody having doubt. Now, Ravi Kumar. Yes, your button is enabled. Ravi Kumar, how you contact me? Hello, Ravi Kumar. Are you in line? Ravi Kumar is not in line. And Janagi already asking questions. Selva and Selva Sila, you want to speak with me? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
How to include graphs, sir?
Figures and graphs are same. Figures. You have to convert the graph into figures. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then everything is answered by me, I think. Suvanya C is not available. Okay, thank you very much for your kind listening of this entire webinar. Thank you.